broke something.
I literally went in here, barely closed the door, fell off.
Gosh.
We had an opportunity to go hunting this morning, but I think we're going to try to get a better picture of the area we're staying in. We got a little bit yesterday, but if we went in there and kind of struck out or burned that out, we'd be back at square one. So we're going to spend a little bit more time scouting, getting places to stay together. We can only stay here one night. Got a nail in the tire, got to fix that. Got part of our license online, got to get part of them in person. So really today's our full day, first full day in this area. So we're going to take a little bit of time getting stuff together. And then hopefully this afternoon we'll be banging.
Ducks. We got ready for the ducks. Ready to get out of the truck, man, and do something.
So I did find, I just got a message. We're striking out like crazy on places to stay right now. That's been our biggest issue.
Yeah, I know, we just need to get that figured out.
We finally managed to get our licenses. It's like $220 per person.
Plus the federal.
Plus the federal, that was $17 or something like that. We've been calling around to find a place to stay. The town we're in is almost completely booked up. But we did find an Airbnb that has ample freezer space, which was key. And they're kind of remote, so we can park our enclosed trailer and not worry about carrying it everywhere. So right now we're headed to the DU office to look at their maps and the properties they have available, because there's some really good DU properties up here. And after we talk to them, we're going to go to the Airbnb, get organized, drop everything out, and then hopefully get on a hunt by this afternoon, do a little more scouting.
Yeah, I hope we can hunt something tonight.
Yeah.
Get a little exercise in.
Yeah, just get out of the truck.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, to be honest, we could almost drop, if we're going to hunt that field in the morning, we could just drop the trailer in that field.
Familiar with an area?
Yeah, it's kind of overwhelming. Because there's birds almost.
We found some birds in a few different places, but we just got in yesterday. Today's our first full day.
Oh, okay.
So we're just trying to get
Yeah,
a better
recommend
idea.
Someone have iHunter on their phone, because
Yeah.
that makes life a lot easier.
Yeah, I think they do.
Got a weakness for them all.
Looks sweet.
Sway back horses.
Oh wow, yeah. They're balling.
They are balling. That is a fat boat. Which way do we got to go? Look at this. Oh yeah. I'll bet he guides fishing. I'll bet people come up here for a week and hire him for fishing.
Yeah.
Unless everybody else is that.
No, we're the only ones.
Oh, that even makes it more sweet.
Oh, nice. Not too shabby. Gonna be here for the week. Got it for 40 a night each, 80 a night for each room. Not too bad. Beautiful property.
South of this pond that we were looking to get permission on. Yeah, just north of that field. Do you know who would own that by chance?
We're on our first hunt in Canada. It's about 4 in the afternoon, 3:30, something like that. Hot, probably 65 degrees. But we're hunting. We ran some ducks off this pond, or kind of marsh thing. We got a bunch more ducks over here that we're saving for in the morning. We got these boys doing some work. We're just kind of hoping birds start flying this afternoon, and we got out a little modest spread, 3 spinners, Gonna try to get in this grass and run some traffic. So if we get 10 or 15, it'll be a successful hunt for what we're doing.
Spoonbill.
Better not fly.
I would have had him for sure. He wasn't on my side. Oh, on the right. Get him. Get him. Spoonie down.
Oh no.
First duck in Canada, swatted Spoonie, baby. Hey, we're on the board.
Those ducks didn't move a lick.
Not 1 inch. Come to teal. You good?
You're good, come back.
That pulsator went off. I was like, where's the duck in the decoy?
Got the first duck down. Getting a little movement going. Getting bit by mosquitoes in Canada in the middle of October. Yeah.
Could have stayed in the Midwest for that.
Gonna be a late migration this year.
Oh, somebody's parked over
A
there.
little bit of green up here.
Watching us slay these spoonies.
It ain't banded, is it?
Ah,
Here he comes.
dang. That was heavy.
Coming here to the right.
Yeah. Get him.
Nice.
Bat it down.
That'll work.
That's what we like.
That's what we want him to do right there.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
That's what we want. He came straight down too once he got out there. That was cool.
That's a fatty right there.
First Canadian greenhead, hold him up. Oh yeah. That's what we come to Canada for right there.
Hey, and I think you shot him.
They're following butt. Hey! First duck of the year. Yeah. Well, I got my first duck of the year with my new gun. And new choke. Trying the Muller chokes. And it plastered him. I like it. It didn't blow up. That's the most important thing. Did you see all the ducks when you went out there? There's hundreds. Here comes a teal. Here comes this teal. Shoot him, Chase. To the right of the spread. He's on the water in the spread. He's by the rightmost decoy.
Got him too.
Oh, Scotch double.
Somebody wanted to shoot at those teal that came in.
I just wasn't quite ready. I thought they might bank around. Well, not a bad warm-up hunt. We ended up with like 9. Shot some off camera. Like I said, it's a warm-up hunt. First hunt of the year, I was a little rusty getting the cameras going and all that, so we wasn't really expecting a lot out of this hunt. We just kind of wanted to, get things rolling, get all the gear laid out, and go fire a few rounds. But what we're really excited about is in the morning's hunt. The spot right across the road from where we were hunting tonight was loaded with ducks and geese, and I think it's going to be a banger in the morning. So super excited for that. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. Lord willing, we're going to catch you in the morning with an absolute epic hunt.